Game over. The wait is done and the beast is finally here. This is the DJI Mini 5 Pro, officially unveiled in all its glory. After months of speculation, leaks, blurry box shots, and whispered specs, a Spanish webshop has blown the lid off and given us the full description. And, oh boy, it's not just good, it's jaw-dropping. We're talking about a drone that feels like DJI crammed an entire cinema studio into something you can toss in your backpack. The Mini 5 Pro is built around a 1-inch, 50-megapixel CMOS sensor with an f1.8 aperture, ready to pull every ounce of detail from the sky, even when the sun dips low. Pair that with true vertical shooting and a gimbal that rotates a crazy 225 degrees, and you've got TikTok-ready content and cinematic shots without compromise. Want buttery slow motion? You'll get 4K/120 frames per second. Need HDR brilliance? It's here at 4K/60 frames per second with 14 dynamic stops, plus 10-bit recording in H.265, D-Log-M, and HLG for color grading that will make editors grin. And DJI didn't stop there. Omnidirectional obstacle detection fused with LiDAR keeps you safe even in nightscapes, while improved 360-degree active track locks onto subjects at high speeds with precision. Add 20 kilometers O4 Plus transmission, 52 minutes of flight with the Plus battery, and portrait optimization that makes every face shine. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the revolution we've been waiting for. The standard RCN3 package will cost €819, while the Fly More combo with RCN3 comes in at €1,029. For enthusiasts who want the premium setup, the Fly More combo with DJI's RC2 controller is listed at €1,159. Considering the features this drone is expected to pack, these prices feel surprisingly competitive, keeping DJI right in the sweet spot of value and performance. But the buzz doesn't stop there. Indian YouTube channel has released the very first full unboxing and flight test, giving fans a real-world glimpse at the Mini 5 Pro. Not only did they show the packaging and design, but they also powered it up, linked it smoothly, and even staged a direct comparison with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The first flight, captured on the bustling streets of New Delhi, sent shockwaves across the drone community, building anticipation like never before. Of course, everyone's next question is the release date. Current whispers suggest September 16th, but screenshots from certain retailers hint at an embargo until September 18th. Coincidentally, that's a Thursday, DJI's traditional launch day. Either way, the countdown is on, and we're just days away from seeing the Mini 5 Pro take flight worldwide. That means we're just days away from seeing the Mini 4 Pro's successor in action. The Instagram teaser from Loha DJI reveals a suspenseful drone launch set for September 17th, promising same pricing as its predecessor, exclusive early access offers, and branding it a new generation in technology, with major sensor and LiDAR upgrades. From the teaser images, we spot some juicy details. The Mini 5 Pro will feature new twist on-off propellers, rumored to cost $19 separately, or $69 if you go for the full quick-release propeller guard kit. DJI also added something subtle but important, a printed noise rating of 81 decibels on the bottom of the drone. That keeps it compliant with EU drone rules, though independent tests suggest it might actually be quieter than advertised. This isn't just another upgrade, it's DJI raising the bar again.
Is it coming in the USA? The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, a clear sign that DJI intends to bring the drone to the American market. Multiple reliable sources suggest a global release is set for mid-September 2025. However, in the US, availability may be affected by ongoing logistical challenges. Major retailers such as Best Buy and B&H are currently facing shortages due to customs enforcement under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, or UFLPA. Despite these restrictions, DJI has publicly stated that it has no plans to withdraw from the US market. What this means for US buyers, an official US release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears both planned and likely, supported by FCC clearance. Availability, however, could be limited at first because of import delays and regulatory hurdles. If these challenges are resolved, The drone is expected to arrive in the US alongside the global mid-September launch. Front and center on the box art, we see the DJI Mini 5 Pro bundled with the powerful DJI RC2 controller, complete with its built-in display. Yes, that means no more juggling your smartphone, just pure flying focus with a pro-level controller straight out of the box. Even better, the label proudly says Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2. And that's not all. Get this, the front face shouts out 52 minins by 3. Whoa! That strongly suggests 3 batteries, each promising up to 52 minutes of flight under ideal conditions.
It was leaked by none other than major retailer Adorama. And guess what? We caught it before it disappeared. The listing popped up, screenshots were taken, some subscribers even tried to pre-order, but oh no. The page crashed, and within minutes, poof, it was gone. That's when you know things are heating up. This baby is launch ready. The listings showed us everything we needed to get hyped. The DJI Osmo Nano standard combo, 64 gigabytes, at $399.99. Hell yes, free shipping included. Or if you're going bigger, the 128 gigabyte version is $429.99. And wait, there's even a new accessory, the bidirectional magnetic ball head assembly, for just $34.99. Perfect for those creative setups. The only tease? Images coming soon, placeholders. Ugh, come on, DJI. We're dying here. This little beast is an ultralight POV camera, rocking image stabilization, fully plugged into the DJI ecosystem, and it even works with DJI wireless mics without extra receivers. Recording, tracking, adventures, you name it. September 2025 is the moment. Even a YouTuber, while pre-recording a short this morning, assumed launch day had arrived. But wait, it didn't stop there. DJI slipped again, accidentally leaking a second picture of the Osmo Nano online. Now everyone's buzzing. Is this the big drop, or just more chaos? Jasper himself questioned whether today's the real launch, while Igor Bogdanov teased on X, hinting, "There are many interesting things to see at sports events." One thing's for sure, the hype around the Osmo Nano is exploding.
Now let's talk price. The Nano will start at €369 for the 64 gigabyte version and $399 for the 128 gigabyte version. Conveniently, these match the pricing of the Insta360 Go 3S, putting DJI in direct competition with its biggest rival in the wearable camera game. And yes, leaked listings have already shown up on multiple web shops, so this one's practically confirmed. After the beloved but short-lived DJI Action 2 was discontinued, everyone wondered what would come next. Well, here it is. Even though the DJI logo was carefully hidden in the leaked images, anyone familiar with DJI's design language spotted it instantly. The Osmo Nano is real and it's coming soon. So, what makes this little beast so special? Let's dive in. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is a magnetic main camera module. And this isn't your standard clip-and-go magnet. We're talking magnetic surfaces on almost every side with the ability to switch magnetic polarity. That means filmmakers can mount it in ways we've never seen before, on metal surfaces, accessories, or even using DJI's brand new wearable lanyard system.